Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix text notification sound not working on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on message app. If you want to fix this problem, so click on storage and cache and clear cache message app. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on notifications. So turn on notifications and click on sound and vibration and turn on notification alarm. After turn on notification sound, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix notification text not working on Infinix GT30. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.